Hello, my baby boy. Maganda pogi. Maganda pogi.
Tim Hortons tayo. What are you gonna buy, Sian? Oh, one. The small one. Which one? This one? Oh, let me hold. I'm gonna get one. Okay. Si Bossy nagre-retort na ng gulong. Tapos meron siyang asungot. Check.
Okay, go.
Oh, game. Push. Hello, guys.
Hello.
We're here at Lake Louise Visitor Center. This visitor center should always be your first stop whenever you're visiting Lake Louise. They have a huge parking lot para dun sa mga susunduin ng shuttle buses papunta sa mga lakes. And also a perfect rest area because they have washrooms and lot of stores. After a long drive, especially us coming from Edmonton, this is the perfect rest stop for us. But most importantly, this is where you will find the visitor center where you can get all the information that could help you for your trip. After all those picture taking, we decided to go outside and walk around the plaza. Most of the stalls in the plaza are souvenir shops just like this one, and the prices are reasonable enough. And this is also the place where you can get gondola tickets, shuttle buses for Marine Lake and Lake Louise. Some of them would even offer bike rentals with different options with pricing for the day. And that's about it. Let's go ahead and drive to Lake Louise now. Here at the parking area for Lake Louise. So, difference kapag winter and summer. Medyo malayo yung parking kapag summertime. Iba pa yung parking kapag ang dala nyo is bus, RV, or naka-regular car kayo. Unfortunately, kapag kotse, yun yung pinakamalayo. So, we're walking. And may bayad po ang parking.
$36. Daanan, papunta din sa Lake Louise. Welcome to Bull Lake, right there. Do you love me? Are you riding? Nagod ako, guys. Nagod ako. Use the backside. Ginano na tayo?
It's lunchtime. Lunchtime at 4 p.m.
Lunchtime.
My goodness.
Nakain na kami.
Ginutom na po ang mga terrorist. We are here at Silver Dragon. It's like a Chinese restaurant and it's very big. Second time na ni-Erwin pumunta dito, and ang kagandahan is madaming parking. Tapos just right outside of the restaurant, like that. And then, ang ganda-ganda pa ng view. Kanya yung view nyo habang kumakain. O, diba? Stick. Ako naman ang kadate. Kain na tayo. Ang sarap.
Noodles.
Ah? Sold out, man.
Good night, everybody. Hey guys, quick update lang. Dito tayo sa lumang kumbento. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung lumang kumbento. Backup na dapat kami. Kasi nga umulan. Biglang huminto. Tuloy pa rin ang ligaya. Welcome to Banff National Park Administration.
sa mga fans ng Hello Love Again.
Dito na kami.
Dito na kami.
Nandyan ka na.
We are now here at the hotel. We already checked in and I'm just waiting for Erwin to park the car. Sian and Mama's already upstairs in the room. Already, it's almost 9 p.m. Guys, nakaakyat na kami. Ito yung itsura ng room. We reserved 2 queen beds dito sa Sheraton, Calgary. Tapos, nagpa-deliver na lang ako ng dinner sa Jollibee para kain, ligo, tapos pahinga na. Hello guys! Tomorrow, ang explore naman natin is Calgary! YYC yan! Good night, Daddy!
Good night.
Good night, baby C!
Bye. Another day, another gala, another gastos. Let's go.
Yung pala yun. So yun nga guys, it's about 10 a.m. and bago tayo umuwi pabalik sa Edmonton, maglilibot-libot muna tayo dito sa Calgary. Ang first itinerary natin is Peace Bridge. Ayan, nag-park lang kami dito sa parang street parking. Recommend to bring a stroller kasi medyo malayo-layo ang ating lakaran. Ayun yung parking natin. Sa side na yan. Tapos ayun yung Peace Bridge. Ayan. Guys, we're here at the Peace Bridge.
Okay, napagod ako kakapicture. Visit kasi visit ka. Sabi, 2 lang, 3, 4.
A solid na 1 hour kami nagpipicture. Anong tawag mo sa akin?
Scammer.
Scammer ng?
Buhay ko. Hello.
Napakaganda naman ng nung lake. Lake ba to?
Weather.
So, ang ganda rin ng weather. Nagpunta kami dito. It's about... Ang ganda rin ng lola. Mommy, sa kasi siya, naglakad pa sila doon. May parang garden. Eh, alam nyo naman. I'm so lazy to walk. Correction. Hindi pala siya lake, river pala siya. Oh, this one's Bow River? How did you know? Binasa ko doon. Oh, okay.
At ngayon, nandyan ka na. Di mo paliwanag.
Park ka na nga. We are now here at the downtown area, and if you're Filipino, you know that Calgary is very popular because of Hello Love Again. And guys, Erwin is such a big fan of them. Andito na tayo ngayon sa downtown area, and very lucky kasi yung napagparkan namin. Nandito na pala halos lahat. Tapos, nakita pa ni Erwin by accident yung pinag-shootingan nila Catherine sa ni Alden. So, if you guys wanna go here, search nyo yung Hyatt Downtown Hotel. Tapos, in front of the hotel, ayun yung parking. Yun nga lang medyo pricey. It's like $16 for the whole day. About 5 minutes walk from the parking area, you will be able to see the Calgary Tower, Sea Train, and the Wonderland sculpture. Medyo mainit na.
Galing na kami doon. Sa ulo. Lakad-lakad lang kami dito. Enjoying the weather. Woo!
Andito naman kami ngayon sa 8th Avenue. There are more on patio ng mga restaurants. Yeah.